Since the time I have ordered all the sneakers, I am excited. I am super excited to share each and every pair with you guys. Do not miss any sneaker from this list. They are all fire sneakers, like damn crazy sneakers. These are top 5 sneakers under 7,000 rupees for this summer. Like, these are some insane sneakers. Let's go. What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, each and every sneaker on this list, I personally want to have them in my personal collection. Most of the time, all the sneakers I recommend to you guys is something I see from an audience perspective, but in today's list, these are all my favorite, my personal favorite sneakers, and I am super duper excited to share this with you guys. So without wasting any of the time, let's start this sneaker with one of my favorite Puma models ever, and this is going to be a super, let me just unbox this and show it to you guys. So this is Puma Suede XL in this beautiful Team Royal colorway. This is a chunkier or a bulkier version, you can say, of Puma Suede. Everything in this sneaker is super thick. The laces, the tongue, the padding around the sock liner, and even the midsole. And the most attractive part on this pair is the laces. But wait, not this laces. It comes with an extra pair of white laces, and I personally would love to wear this sneaker with this white laces. They are super thick as well. Just have a look, you will understand that. This is the laces. I want to put this laces on this. This will look fire. And talking about this particular colorway, this is my favorite colorway on this sneaker because it just attracts me more, because this sneaker comes in red, dark green, black, and this is my favorite one because this, I just don't know, it feels more vibrant, and that is what makes a great summer sneaker. This sneaker retails for 9,000 rupees, but I got the sneaker for 6,299 rupees. That is an insane price on this pair. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and this is from Nike, and this is one of my favorite Nike sneakers they have recently released, a Nike lifestyle sneaker. So let's unbox this and let's see. So here we have a pair of Nike Full Force Low. So this is a 90s basketball silhouette, but they have renovated it and made a lifestyle Nike sneaker. This can be a great everyday summer sneaker because of its colorway and how versatile this is. This is a full white leather upper sneaker with this black midsole and this hint of blue on the back heel and on the tongue. And more interestingly, this sneaker also has a gum bottom to it, which makes this sneaker stand out instantly. And recently I have been spotting this sneaker everywhere. Like, a lot of people are wearing it, and I feel really good about it. And talking about the pricing on this pair retails for 8,495 rupees, that is 8,500 rupees. But I got this pair for a great price, that is 6,541. That is a beautiful price. Okay, normally I do not say this, but if you guys are liking this list this far, please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. Do let them know about this channel if they don't know yet. And now we have a beautiful pair from, you know it, right? So yes, I found this beautiful pair on Amazon, and I thought I should really share this with you guys because this can be a great summer sneaker. So let's unbox this. So this is Converse Chuck 70 Low Granddaddy Jelly. So this is a special edition sneaker in this beautiful purple colorway. And the first thing you notice on the pair is the laces on them. It comes with this beautiful fur laces, which, to be very honest, it looks great, but practically if I'm rocking this pair, I won't enjoy wearing it with this laces. I wish they came with the normal laces as well, but they didn't, and yes, it is what it is. And then I have totally forgotten what this material is called, which we have here on the back heel, but I definitely know everyone in their childhood have seen this. And one more interesting thing on this pair is the outsole on it. It comes in this beautiful pale yellow color, which I personally loved it. I loved the pattern which is going on here on the upper of the sneaker, and that is what I feel makes the sneaker stand out. This sneaker retails for 6,599 rupees, but I got this pair for 5,199. That is 5,200 rupees. A very good price. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, it is from Puma and a very beautiful pair. Let's go. So here we have Puma Easy Rider Supertifo. A beautiful sneaker with a beautiful silhouette and a beautiful colorway on it. This green and orange colorway goes hand in hand, and this wild gum bottom helps in elevating the sneaker. The upper of the sneaker has this beautiful knitted mesh, and then you get to see suede on the back heel, toe guard and on the eyelets. And the most beautiful part on this pair is the tongue. You get this beautiful knitted tongue in that gorgeous stripe pattern with that orange Puma logo on it, and that just adds the cherry on the top. This can be an amazing summer sneaker, and this retails for 7,999 rupees, that is 8,000 rupees, but I got this pair for 6,299, that is 6,300 rupees. Go and grab this pair as soon as you can. Now talking about the next sneaker on this list, and it is from ASICS, and one of the most comfortable sneaker on this list. This is the most comfortable sneaker on this list, not one of them. So let's unbox this. Here you go. So this is ASICS Gel 1130. This is a full mesh upper sneaker which makes this sneaker super light and very breathable in the summertime. The color combination of that forest green and silver is too good on this pair. This pair has that retro running sneaker vibe to it, and that is what makes this sneaker very beautiful. You can rock a lot of baggy and relaxed fit this summer with this pair. This pair retails for 9,000 rupees, but I got it for 4,665 rupees. That is a great deal. That is almost 50% off. So yes, that's amazing. And now you let me know which is your favorite from this list, because all of them are my personal favorite. I have got all of this from the ultimate brand sale, the color splash sale, which is live right now from 1st March to the 9th of March on Amazon. So go and get some amazing deals and discounts right now. And if you want to check out some amazing Puma sneakers under 4,000 rupees, watch this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.